Hello everyone and welcome to another Math tutorial video. Now I'll be discussing SPM Clone 2005 Form 5 Chapter 1 Progressions Long Question. Okay, let me read the question now. The diagram shows part of the arrangement of a building model constructed using cubes of equal size, each of side 4 cm. Each layer of cubes represents one story of the building. So this is the diagram, guys. Okay. For the part A, if the ground floor of the model is constructed using 4096 cubes, calculate the height in centimeter of the model. As for the part B, if each cube costs 80 cents, calculate the total price of the cubes used in A. So this is the overall question. So I hope that you will attempt this question in the future. If you could manage to solve this question, well done guys. But if you can't solve this question, no worries. I'm going to show you the step-by-step working and the solutions now. So without further delay, let us start to solve the SPM Clone 2005 Form 5 Chapter 1 Progressions Long Question now. Okay, before that, please like this video to show your support and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. Alright, let us start our discussion now. So for the question part A, to calculate the height of the model, so the first step what we need to do is, we need to identify the first term A and common ratio R. Okay, you might be asking me a question. So how do you know that the question is asking for a geometric progression? Okay, no worries, I'm going to clear your doubt now. So let me pull this paper up. Okay. Okay, so let me pull this down. So allow me to show the diagram from the question. Okay, from the diagram, so as you can look in the diagram, so the top of the model, as you can see here, you have one cube, and the second layer you have 1 2 3 4 cube. Okay, on the third layer you have 1 2 3 4 4 as the length and 4 as the width. So that means 4 times 4 you have 16 cubes. Okay, in the third layer. And the fourth layer you have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 cubes as the length, and then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 cubes as the width. So 8 times 8 you have 64. So that's how I formed this geometric progression 1 4 16 and 64. So I hope I've cleared your doubt guys. Okay, so that is how I formed the geometric progression. So I've concluded from the diagram over here. Okay, so let us continue. So from here we have already identified our first term A is 1, and then our common ratio R is actually equals to 4. So let us continue. So from here, so the step 2 what we need to do is we need to find the corresponding n value. So in this case, since the ground floor uses 4096 cubes, okay, you might be wondering why I've underlined this statement over here. Okay, what is this means? This means only the ground floor has 4096 cubes guys, not the total model itself. Okay, so please don't get confused. That's why I've emphasized here, only the ground floor uses 4096 cubes. Okay, so from here we need to find the Tn over here, not Sn. So Tn for geometric progression is equals to AR to the power of n minus 1. Okay, let us continue. So in this case, the Tn is already given in the question is 4096. Okay, the first term A we have already obtained, which is 1, and then common ratio is 4. So 1 times 4 to the power of n minus 1 is equals to 4096. Okay, let us continue our working. So from here, 4 to the power of n minus 1 is equals to 4096. So we need to break this down in terms of base 4 guys. Okay, then only we can proceed to find the n value over here. So in terms of base 4, so we can express this in 4 to the power of 6. So 4 to the power of n minus 1 will be equals to 4 to the power of 6. So from here, the 4 and 4 will cancel off. So you only left with n minus 1 equals to 6. Okay, n minus 1 is equals to 6. So to find n, what you do, 6 you plus with 1. So from here you get your n is equals to 7. Okay, but that is not the final answer. You still need to calculate the height in centimeter of the model. Okay, as you look in the diagram, the height of the cube is actually 4 centimeter. So 1 cube is 4 centimeter. So imagine you have 7 stories of the model. So 7 stories, okay, n equals to 7. So we will proceed to calculate the height. So 7 stories, 7 times with 4. So that's how you get this 28 centimeter. So this is your final answer for the question part A, guys. Okay, let us proceed to the question part B, where they ask us to calculate the total price of the cubes used in question part A. Alright, let us discuss the question part B now. Okay, for the question part B, they ask us to calculate the total price of the cube used in question part A. For that, what we need to do is, the first step, we need to calculate the total cubes used, guys. Okay, let us continue. In this case, we can use the Sn formula for geometric progression, where is equals to a in a bracket r to the power of n minus 1 close bracket divided with r minus 1. Okay, remember guys, you can only use this formula only when your common ratio r is more than 1. Okay, let us continue. Okay, since the whole model is built in a 7-story, so that's why you put here S7, guys, where you have already find in the question part A, where your n is equals to 7. Okay, so S7 is equals to 1 times with 4 to the power of 7 minus 1 divided with 3. So the total cube used is 5,461 cubes. So this is your total cubes used for the model, guys. But the question asks us to calculate the total price. So to find total price, what you do? So the total cost will be equals to 80 cent you times with 5,461. So you calculate them together. So this is your total cost, guys, where it be 4,360 ringgit and 80 cent. So this is your final answer. So that is all for the step-by-step working and solution for this question. I hope you understand the full working that I've shown to you. If you like this video, please give your thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. And also not to forget to share this video, guys. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.